Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. I'm Will, and in this video I'll be showing you guys yet another way to split up a date into month, year, and weekday. So the way that we're going to do this is we're going to use the text function, right? So let's just go equals text. It's a function, so it needs an open bracket. And as you can see here from the suggestions, it's looking for a value and a format. So the value that we're going to use is the date, and the format is going to be the same as when we were using the custom number format method, right? So we're going to type it in as a quotation, and we're after the month. So in the custom number format, if you remember, that was MMMM. So again, for here, it's just MMMM, right? Close bracket equals March. Excellent. So the way that we can return the year is using the same method. So we're using the text function again. We're going to input our value, which is the date. And then we're going to return the year. So again, the value comes in as a quotation. And for a year, it's going to be Y, 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 Y. Close bracket. Awesome. All the years have now appeared. And for the weekday, I bet you guys can guess what we have to do. We use the text function again, put in our value, comma, and now, it's day, so it's going to be a series of Ds. So D, 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 D will do. Actually, that will return the number of the date, but if we want the name of the day, then we're going to need two more Ds. Okay? Cool. So that was another way to get the month, year, and weekday.